Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show and Juice Bar channel and the Salad Bar channel. Anyway, today we want to make you a lovely simple juice. Simple to take it away for the spring break and for the summer which is coming next. Ninja blender. Any kind of blender you have at home, you can do this. Look at this now. First of all, you need 3 orange. Yeah, that's what we're gonna need. Alright guys, then what we're going to do is to remove the skin from the orange. Very easy and simple by peeling it using a knife. Be careful how you use a knife in the kitchen and do not cut yourself. Alright, for safety, please get yourself a lovely cutting board and also place the cutting board and some wet napkin. Alright guys, that means the board doesn't shift none at all and you get to cut yourself. So we're going to do some lovely drink like this one today, because it's a juice which I do love. So because of the liquid coming off and I don't want it to mess up my kitchen, so now I'm gonna just put a piece of napkin underneath the board. So we're gonna remove the skin from the orange just like this. Very easy and simple, nothing too complicated. And then we're going to cut them up into some small pieces and we're going to put them straight inside of a Ninja blender like this. Once put in the Ninja blender, then we're going to get, so I have the last one left which I'm doing at the moment. Just be careful when you're using a knife. If you notice what I'm doing, I'm going around with the orange. So, but you can do it your way just to make life a little bit more easy for you guys. You can do it your kind of way or you want to do it. Alright? Then what I'm going to do is cut it up just like this and just like this. Nice one. Then ginger, very important when you're making a certain kind of juice. So I'm gonna remove the skin from the ginger and I'm gonna cut it up very small. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut my lemon into half and I'm gonna remove the skin, because it can have a lemon flavor inside of it also. Then put a little bit of water just to free up the blender. The orange is a little bit sweet, I know for sure, but I'm just gonna squeeze a little bit of honey because of the water, roughly about a tablespoon of honey. Then we're going to be blending this roughly about 3 to 4 minutes, and a good blender or Ninja blender, whatever kind of blender you have. Nice and lovely. So basically that's it right there. It's 2 things. You don't have to strain it, but for me, I don't drink too much of the fiber, so now I'm gonna strain mine. You know what I mean, like this. So I'm gonna run it straight through my strainer. You don't have to do it this kind of way. If you have an orange squeezer, you can always do it that kind of way, but you know what I mean, just to make sure I'm putting the ginger and the lemon and all these things in it, so that's gonna bring in a lovely flavor. So that's why I just blend it. But as you can see, looking good. It's looking good so far. Nice one. Look like mango, but it's not mango. It's orange juice. Nice one. So you can do the same thing at home guys, and honestly it will come out really nice like this. You might say, Chef Ricardo, I don't understand how you do that, but you can do the same thing guys, honestly, and it come out so lovely and nice like that. Lovely one. Yep, that's it. And then next, what we're going to do now is get the glass and some ice. I always have my ice ready. It's good to have a lot of ice at home guys, because ice is very important. Then they're gonna pour in the juice like this. Look at that nice, lovely drink. Really cool and nice and ready. Finish with this one. So you can go right over here in the meantime.